Got booted. Hopefully you guys find me on my new live. Find me on my new live. I'm typing it in right now. Find me on new live. I lost my feed somehow. No idea what happened. Shit. What's up? Fuck. I gotta refine this now. I don't know what happened. I lost my feed, y'all. I lost my signal. Back. Okay, my bad. Sorry. Sorry. I have no idea what happened. Now I got to pull this back up. Man, that was horrible timing. I did not need that. Okay, halted at 179.49. Have we unhalted at all? Did I miss anything? Oh, that sucked. Man, that sucked. All right, guys, so here we are back on MEGL. Stalled, 179.49. Nothing happened, right? We didn't miss anything. Good. This is, luckily, I didn't lose out on anything. I was hoping to God they didn't lift the halt. She ripped a 250, and here I am trying to go live again. All right, good. MEGL. Megl, the big rip of the day. We're at about our 5th halt for any of you just tuning in. We're at 5 halts in, I'd imagine. Averaging 4 to 5 minutes per halt. Averaging 4 to 5 minutes per halt versus 2 hours Friday. 2-hour halts Friday. This seems to be a long one, though. And it was halted on the way up, so let's go. Yeah, my wife's going to be bringing me some Chick-fil-A here soon. Yep. You know it, baby. You know it. That's what we got to eat. Got to keep the chicken coming in. What's up? I mean, come on, Meg. We got a long one here. What's the next move after we unlock? We halted. Oh, it was halted on the way up, brother. So it might trickle a little sideways and then jolt up. Market orders coming in. So this is possibly a pop coming. Nico. Nico says we're going to drop. Nico, I don't want to ban you from my channel, dude, but I don't like pussies, and you're starting to show your true colors. You're starting to look like a pussy, man. And pussies just fucking wear me out. They drag me down, so I'm probably going to have to ban you from the channel. One more pussy comment from Nico and I ban you, bro. All right? What's up with Nico all of a sudden? He seemed like a good guy. I'm going to have to block Nico in a minute. You don't get any more warnings, Nico. Swear to God. That's it. I'm on a ban attack today, bro. You're going to be the next, without a doubt. 179.49. We are still halted on Robinhood, MEGL, all platforms. Looking like 179 is the way to go. 179 is the common denominator on Meg right now. Man, Nico's being a little pussy today. Is it like, what the fuck, Nico? Are you bipolar or some shit? Nico's probably going all manic up in his bedroom, destroying the fucking wallpaper. Calm down, Nico. It's all right, buddy. Let's go, Meg. Lift the halt. Let's go. Yeah, we got to gang up on Nico. Everybody's ganging up on Nico. I love it. Nico probably likes cats. Oh, I love it. Let's go. Lift the gate, baby. Lift the gate. These horses are ready to pounce. Come on, baby. Let's go. Yeah, Nico's still got wallpaper, bro. Here we go. 188. Told you the halt was on the way up. 191. Here we go. Retracement. 195. What's going to happen? If we halt again, it might be a good thing. If we halt, it's going to be a good thing. A lot of orders coming in. 199.50. Orders coming in. We may not. 194. We need to break over that 200 line. Don't even tell me there's resistance at 200. That's bullshit. And we halted. This could be a halt. 195, no halt. 189, 181. Thank you, Red One. A lot of orders coming in. That's why these halts are coming in the way they are. 185.98. This is bullshit. Let her rip. Just let her go. This is bullshit. 185.98. Why is it stalled out? What's going on? What's going on, man? We need to get back into those 200 levels. This is pissing me the fuck off, man. Who's taking profit at 185? What, are you kidding me right now? Somebody's going to take profit here? 200. Yeah, let's break it. Come on. Back to 220, 230, 250. Let's go. Let's go. This could be a halt at 200. This could be a halt. It's not showing on my side, though. Let's go. What's going on? There's no way we're halted at $200, man. Come on. I'm surprised we haven't seen 250 yet. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. I think we halted on the way up 200. They're not showing it yet, but I think we're halted. Is anybody showing a halt? What's going on? Yeah, it's total fake resistance, bro. It's bullshit. There's no way there's resistance at fucking 200 lousy dollars. No fucking way. Somebody slap Nico for me. He probably just sold and fucked us all. Slap Nico in the head for me, please. Oh, you are seeing a halt? I'm not seeing a halt. You're seeing a halt? I'm not showing a fucking halt. It's just stuck at 200. I think Nico fucked us. Yeah, it's halted. It's halted. Where you at, Nico? The fuck you doing, man? Stop fucking around, buddy. Hey, I don't mind halting at 200. You know what that means? You see how fast we were driving up? You see how fast we were driving up? 220 coming. 220 is coming. And this is where we hit the all-time high of the day. We should hit the all-time high here shortly. I'm just fucking around, Adam. We're fucking with Nico. Oh, let's see how long this is going to be. For any of you guys just joining in, man, we are probably on our 6th halt of the day. 6 freaking halts. I do have the Patreon link in this new live for anybody that wants to join the Patreon. It's only $5 a month. I've already released the next IPO for the Megalodon group. We have released the next IPO. Attack. Orlando, what's faster to sell, market or limit? I would say market at this point. Yep. I don't always recommend a market order, but I don't see you getting it any other way. This is some bullshit with these halts. Adam wants to know, honest opinion, do I think we'll reach 350 today? It's absolutely fucking possible, especially in the after hours. But these halts slow it all down, man. So it's not like it's not coming eventually. But these halts do put a damper on things, man. Market orders are finally working. Yeah, Jake. Finally, these market orders. Now we got volatility, so I would do a market order. Yep. Let me see. What's AMC doing now that we got a minute? AMC still shooting up, or is she consolidating? AMC, I hope you guys took profit, because who knows what's going to happen there. MEGL is the play, though. That all that matters is MEGL. Florida Boy says, Nico loves to drink margaritas with a straw. Poor Nico. You poor little bastard. Is Nico fucking his cat under the bed right now? Where you at, Nico? You disappeared, bro. He gets nervous and he just starts fucking his cat under the bed. Nervous response to not knowing when to sell in the stock market. Yeah, I see AMC's dropping pretty hard. AMC's dropping, man. It's always so fake. It's I don't know, short-lived and fake responses, and people know to take profit. He's burping the worm. That poor cat. I know. Nico's going manic on the cat right now. All right, market halt, guys. Market halt at $200. Is this not... Oh, I love this play, but golly, with the halts. I mean, my love here. Can you please fucking show us some love back and stop the halts already? Just let her go. Let her go. Damn. What is up? Yeah, we got the spammers. I don't know. I think they're all back to AMC, man. They're leaving us alone for a minute. Leaving us alone, which I'm happy with that. Guys, we halted on the way up at $200. What up, Michelle? Go big or go home, baby. Yeah. We are doing 25% profit taking. Markers were at 230, 240. Some people got in at 340. They took profit at 340, Michelle. Brian wants to know, yes, I have taken profit. Yes, I have. I was selling at the 230 mark, the 220, 230, 226 were the areas I sold at. 217, 216, retracement. Here we go. Halted again on the way up. What just happened? Oh my God. Come on already. This is Friday all over again. No, 225. Bring it, baby. Bring it. Come on. Give me my 250. Give me my 250. 226. Here we go. Retracing, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. $214, $211, $216. Come on. Let's get us back into the 220, 230, baby. That's what we need. 220, 230. Come on. Get it back, baby. Get it back. What's up? Why are we halted again? Get it back. Come on. This is crazy. What just happened? There's no way. Maybe halted on the way up again, y'all. Nope. 213. Profit. 213.50 meg on Robinhood. Volume is sitting at 271. Still pretty low volume for the day. Really, really low volume, guys. You know this entire float is sold. 219.90. Get into the 300 already, man. Stop. Let's just go. Come on. Let her rip. Let her rip. Come on. 223. Yes. Here we go, baby. Come on. Here we go, baby. Come on with it. This is what we need. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Man, I got a ton of people messaging me right now. I hope you guys, yeah, I'm at 210.40. 210.40, everybody. Oh, I love this play. Oh, such a glorious play. I love you, Meg. Even with all the halts, I love you, Meg. He probably did, Jack. No doubt about it. He's such an idiot, man. Oh my God. He doesn't even crack me up anymore. He just annoys me now. 203.80. Just so you guys are aware, the next time it hits between 220 and 230, I'm taking profit. I will sell off another quarter of my holdings at between 220 and 230. And it looks like we're getting there. We're getting there. I'm going to be pulling profit between 220 and 230. Come on, baby. Give it to me. And then I may just leave the rest to ride out for the day. But just give me my 220. Come on. Give me 230. Give me 230, baby. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh, I love. These are my kind of plays right here, guys. That bullshit moving $1 every 10 minutes. Fuck that noise. If that even happens with AMC. Today they had a great day. Today they had a great day. But this is the shit. This is the Kentucky fucking Derby. This is the Super Bowl. You know what I'm saying? This is a fucking, I don't even know, a 1984 Van Halen concert when Eddie Van Halen was in his fucking prime. 216.92. She's going up. Give me the fucking energy, baby. Come on, give it. 220. I told you we'd retrace. Told you 230 coming. 230 coming. This is where I take another 100 shares off the board if she hits 230. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 219.80. Give me 230. Damn you, you're going the wrong way. Look at this dumbass cush. Teddy, I thought this was the next HKD. Get back to sucking your mom's tit, bro. All right? Stop bothering me with that bullshit. Get the drippage out of your mom's tit. She's waiting on you. 211.12. I think we have halted. I think we have halted at 211.12. Yeah, HKD wasn't even near this fucking price in 2 days. Can you believe that little douche fuck would even say that? What the fuck? Go drink mommy's milk, you little fucktard. We are halted without a doubt. It's not showing the halt, but we are halted at 211.12. No, this has got to be halted, y'all. I know it ain't showing it, but there's no way it froze at 211. Not with all that buying pressure coming in, it's halted. Damn, why didn't we hit 230 on that halt? I wanted to halt at 230. This is crazy. Listen, Telly, you dumbass motherfucker. I'm selling at 230 because I know to take profit, you dumb fuck. But I'm leaving a fraction in for the rip. That's how you trade. You little dumb fuck, you need to join my Patreon so you can learn how to fucking trade, okay? Stuck at 211. What's up? Ain't that crazy? It's not showing halted, but we're not moving. What's going on? 211.12. Okay, we're moving. 210. 206.9. 206.91. Just texting my brother, y'all. Bear with me. Texting my broski. He's trying to enter the play. I'm just trying to give him some advice. Giving my brother some advice so he doesn't mess up. All right, I'm back. I am back. Yes, I'm looking for a price target of 250. So we're hovering in the 220 to 200 to 220 zone. We got to break loose out of that 220. I am looking to make another sale anywhere from 230 to 250. Anywhere from 220 to 250. That's where I'm really wanting to move out my next position. Yeah, dude should have bought pre-market when it was 170, 160. 197.50. 197.50. So we are back on the grind. What is happening here? Bid versus ask, 5,000. Wow, that's crazy. Where'd you see that at? Very ballsy. Kingpin, seems like the 230 level is tough now. It is. I think we're going to see it, though. I'm going to be patient. We just got to know where to take that profit, baby. We got to know where to take the profit. The land says, I think we fly soon. I agree. This is looking pretty good, man. We are hovering, consolidating slightly under the 2, but we continue to bounce back into the 2. No, Michelle, I have brains. Don't go there, please. Don't start that dumb shit, please. I have brains. Guys, we're at 207, 214. Here we go. Back on the move. Back on the move at 214.96. Sell off at 199.50. They are moving money fast in and out. 207. A lot of money being moved in and out of this thing quick. Let's see if we can get our 230 back. Come on, baby. We need the 230. What are you doing? What are you doing? I know, the volume's horrible. I like the 207, though. You guys see how we keep bouncing back to that 207? The bottom line is you got to read the play as she's talking to you. You got to read the play as she's talking to you, okay? And what she's telling you right now is she's struggling to hit 250. She's struggling. So this is where guys at my fucking level don't fuck around. We sell. You want to know why? Because I'm in huge profit right now. I'm way in the fucking green, and there's another play coming up that I'm probably going to make even more money in the next play. You see what I'm saying? That's why all you people with this diamond balls shit, get over that fucking mentality. You need to take fucking profit. Diamond balls in this community is a weakness. You understand what I just said? It's a fucking weakness. Because when I'm done with this, I'm going to make about $80,000 off of this play. $80,000 fucking dollars. So if you don't know to take profit and you end up losing, I don't want to hear shit on Wednesday that you're still in this fucking play. All right? I see a lot of you guys right now holding for stupid numbers. That's dangerous. You should have already sold out a fraction of your price. a fraction of your holdings on this. You should have already sold a fraction and taken profit. You take your investment out. Like I've already got my investment out, okay? Understand how that works. 207 and we're halted again. 207 and we're halted. Not exactly showing halted, but we're definitely at a standstill here. Yeah, it was halted on the up again. I think they just gave up on actually putting the halt sign up. They're just like, ah, fuck it. They know what's up. They know what's going on. No, I think it's halted, man. It's halted. Ton of buy orders coming in. They're filtering buy orders with sell orders. So, a lot of orders coming in right now. $207 on Robinhood. She ain't budging. $207 and she is not budging. Come on. Javier wants to know if I'm keeping Megl until tomorrow. That is a big hell no, brother. Nope. I will be completely sold out of my position today. Load them buy orders. Let's go. Load those buy orders. Come on. Jonah Harrell says, why? What do you mean? Why will I be out of my position today? Because I know how to take profit, dude. I know how to trade. That's why. I am holding for aftermarket. Yes, sir, I am. Bull wants to know if I'm holding. I will probably hold 40 shares for aftermarket. That is correct. But I already know on plays like this, when you're up a shit ton of money, you take it. All right? You don't get stupid. You don't get all AMC stupid around here and diamond ball. And like AMC, the thing fucking gets carpet pulled and it sits at $16 for the next 10 fucking years. And you could have sold at $240, but you said, diamond ball it. Because I heard that from Ape Father. Ape Father only knows how to lose money. You don't know how to make money. I'm teaching you guys how to fucking make money. Take profit. You have to walk with this money. You realize you're beating the market makers when you take profit. You stick around till Thursday or Friday. Yeah, it could happen. It could happen. But it's way too risky. I've already got another play ready, guys. I've got another IPO. We're at 191.02. More profit taking consolidation, 191.02. Having a really hard time retracing the 220.230. It's pissing me off. Really struggling here to retrace that number. But you guys realize when it does this, it scares a lot of people out of the fucking market. That's what's pissing me off right now. Is this is scaring people from getting in. It's also scaring people out. 198, let's retrace. This could be it. Come on. This could be it. We need 230 to 250. Come on, give it to me already. Why you got to mess with me? Come on. Give me the 220, baby. Come on, 250. I'll take anything between 220 and 250 right now. Come on. It's already uploaded, bro. Christian, I did a Patreon last night. The link below. And I've already got the new IPO up. So you can look at the new IPO and prepare to trade it. Okay? 198.45. Why are we struggling here to get 220, 230, 250? Why are we struggling? Come on already. I can't believe people are taking profit at a lousy $200 fucking dollars, man. People taking profit at 200. People taking profit at 198. This thing should already be at $300. Let her go. Let her go. Come on. Very low volume. Very low volume. This should already be at like 3 million volume. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Such low volume, yet such a high ticker price. Ain't that some shit? Imagine if we had AMC volume over here. Holy cow. I know, right? 198.84. In order to get the new IPO, just join my Patreon. The link is below. It's $5 a month. I've already launched the new IPO. Guys, 180. More profit taking. 180. Yeah, they be taking that profit at low levels. See, now this is what I don't agree with. I do not agree with taking profit at these low levels. Never. Never. See, this is where people are making mistakes, man. When you know they're going to hand you some profit at $230 and you take it at 180, what, are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Yeah. People don't know how to trade. They don't know how to trade. The going number today is obviously between 220 and 250. That's where all profit should be taking, that's where my profit was taken earlier, between 220 and 250. I need it to hit one more time, and I will take profit again. That's how this game is played, man. That's how this game is fucking played. I agree, TM. A lot of people shouldn't be trading, man. Making these kind of mistakes. They push the ticker down at 180, you know. It's a joke. But, you know, the Wall Street has a lot to do with this right now because they're halting the market, scaring people out. They're doing it. They're doing it, man. Whereas we're holding because we know they'll retrace that 220, 230, or anywhere up to 250. I already know they're going to hit it. They're going to retrace it, so I'm holding for that. Rookies be selling at 180, man. This is a joke. It's coming. She retraces from 230, 40, 50, somewhere around there. I'm selling 100 shares, just so you guys know. I'm taking profit. I may even sell 150 shares and just leave 50 shares in. I'll leave 50 shares to ride for the rest of the day into market close. We'll see. But I would imagine there's market orders going in right now, guys, at the 180. She's probably going to retrace the 200 here shortly. Okay? That's right, Bull. That's the way to go, brother. Sell it down to like 50 shares or whatever your position is. Just leave a small fraction in for after hours because anything can happen after hours. She's most likely going to rip into after hours. So anything could happen. So these are very high risk, dangerous plays. They're very high risk. So, but she did what we needed her to do. She made a lot of people a lot of money. The problem, and I guess we didn't expect all the halts. We did not plan on all this shit. I've never seen this before, so you live and learn. You live and learn. Halts scare people out of the play, bottom line, man. That's a lot of reason. That's mostly the main reason they do it, to scare motherfuckers out of the play. You ain't scaring me out. I want my 250. Bring me my 250, baby. See, it's not even showing a market halt. You guys showing a market halt yet? What's going on? Nothing. Let's get a move on it, baby. Filter them orders in. They're moving slow today, aren't they? They're moving real slow today. You can sell in after hours, but again, being able to sell depends upon volume. If there's no volume, you can't sell. They won't fill your orders. It's very difficult to sell when there's no volume. Typically, when you get up into the higher numbers, the volume will slow, come to a halt. Higher numbers like 300, 400, 500, it's typically where the volume starts to dissipate. At this low number, I'm shocked that the volume is what it is. This is unheard of, you know. Still not moving at 180. Nothing. Still not moving at 180. What up, Marcos? Good morning, my brother. Oh, we moved to 188. 188. Moving in the right direction. Come on. Give me my 250 already. What's the problem, people? I know there's enough buy orders to push this thing up to 250. I already know it. There's enough buy orders to push it to 350. 195. What they're doing is they're filtering buy and sell so that they can manufacture the price. That's exactly what they're doing. They're manufacturing the price, man. It's fucking bullshit. It's total bullshit. This goes to show you, even when the play is at its absolute fairest, no dark pools, hardly no shorting, none of that fucking shit, they still will suppress the price. Because you know it shouldn't be sitting at no 195 right now. They're suppressing the fucking price, y'all. And you guys ask why I'm taking profit. This is why. Right fucking here. This is why. 195. Still not moving. 195, man. 336 on the volume. 336,000 shares. That is all. 195. Wall Street, nothing but crooks. Savage fucking crooks. They will put companies out of business and they just let it go. Who gives a shit? They tried putting AMC out of business, man. If it weren't for the Army pouncing on AMC, that company would be boarded up. They won't release the volume. You're right, John. They're not going to... 190. 189.26. There's your volatility right there. Broke 340,000 volume. This is absurd, man. This thing should be ripping right now. It should be ripping. Unbelievable, y'all. 189.26. We've had roughly 8 halts already. 8 halts. Okay? Let's go. No, we had way more than 5 halts, Akisha. Nah, more than 5. Shit, we had 5 within the first 15 minutes of market open. Yeah, me too, Cruz. 178. Cruz says he wouldn't be surprised to see an explosive movement on the up here shortly. It's almost like they're just letting these sell orders trickle in, right? Before they let her rip. I mean, they got to just let her go. Just let her go. Come on, man. Yeah, baby. Talking to my brother, y'all. Just talking to my brother. What'd I miss? 177.01. Okay. I'm not worried about the 177.01. No worries about that whatsoever. This is typical consolidation with a day traders taking very low profit. So we are good, baby. I can't believe I missed the 300. What was it? $360 this morning on Webull. What did it hit? 340 or 360, guys? I can't believe I missed that shit. 350? 360? Damn. Did anybody sell at 360? Any of y'all take that profit? Unbelievable that I was sound asleep for that. It flew really fast. You just, had I have been awake, yeah, I would have sold. Had I have been awake, I'd have taken that shit. It was real quick, huh? 177.01. This is crazy. Not giving us much price action. I'm really surprised at this 177.01. Don't let it fool you, though. Do not let this 177.01 fool you. There is price action to the upside coming. Do not let this nonsense fool anybody. All right? No, the highest this morning was 350. It was 350. $175 with 354 on the volume. Treading really lightly on those order flows, man. 350 volume. This should be like 9 million share volume right now. This is crazy. 180, guys. This is the most absurd thing. I mean, a typical play like this with a 5 million share float, we should be up 8-9 million shares right now volume. I don't know what the fuck. Like, they are dragging on pushing these orders in. This is the craziest shit ever, man. What up, Luck? Glad you're joining us, buddy. We are at $180. I'm guessing 7 to 8, maybe 9 to 10. Halts? I don't even know. I'm losing track. 173.53. We need to get back to 220, 250 so I can take my next profit. Let's go, baby. We need a gap up from 180 to 220. That's the gap up I need. I know she's having a hard time breaking the 200, but we shouldn't have a hard time here. If they would just let the volume increase, let it go for a second. Let it go. Let it go. Come on. Yeah, 249.94. I would love to see that right now. Would love it. I am taking profit at 240. Maybe I'm going to sell off 150 shares, which will leave me 50 shares that I will ride into the sunset with those 50 shares. Just waiting to take my last round of actual profit off the table. I think they're going to give it to me. I'm anywhere between 220 and 240 wanting that profit. Just being smart about it. I'm sure there's buy orders coming in, but these halts like this scare people. This just scares people out of the play, you know, because they don't know what direction it's going to move in, up or down. I already know it's going to be moving up. You know, it has to continue to move up because there's more buy orders from Friday that probably haven't even been processed yet. You know? So let's go. $1.80. Come on. I need some action. I'm falling asleep over here. I need some action. Still paint. Says Teddy just talks to himself the whole time. I don't know. I got like 1,400 people with me. I think you fucking inhaled way too much paint, buddy. Magic Empire Global Limited. We are stuck at $180. Confidence level from Teddy. Yeah, seriously. No, you can leave those, Mark. Mark, that's okay. Because guys like Telly, I like to give it to him, dude. I like to fucking pounce on these dumbass motherfuckers. Leave it. If the douchebag knew how much money I was up already, fuck, you want to talk confidence? You don't know me, dude. This is called day trading. Thanks, Mark. This is called day trading, dude. Welcome to the fucking game. Yeah, still sitting at 180, waiting for my last exit. Waiting for my last exit. If she doesn't, if this is all we're going to get today are these small, you know, 20 up, 20 down, 20 up, 20 down. There it goes. $5 down. $4 down. 176.25. $176.25. I'm going to move over to AMC just for a minute. I want to see what she's doing. AMC's trading sideways at 25. It's crazy that AMC's got all that volume moving. This is what we should be seeing on this side with these huge price fluctuations, but we're not. So, makes no sense. $176. We have movement. $176. No, I'm not in AMC. No, sir. 174. Man, come on already. Show me the money. Yeah, 174 on Robinhood. Yeah, he lost money on Redbox. Yep. Yeah, we really needed to break back into the twos before lunch. I agree. But by lunchtime, I think we should all be 75% out of the play. You should all be a minimum of 75% out of the play if you're trading right. I'm not giving financial advice. Don't do what I do. But learn from plays like this that trickle. 174.13. They could waste a lot of your day, guys. This could waste a lot of your fucking day. Or if you got the balls, set a limit order right now for $230, you know. Close your app and go do what you got to do. you know. Good. Oh, you've got 75% left to sell. You only sold 25%, Ron? I got you. 174.13, guys. 174.13. Yeah, you might have a limit order filled here by lunchtime. If you set it up, 220. We seem to have hit 220 several times today with ease. I am not buying back in, Cruz. No. You don't get back in these plays, man. When you're up an enormous amount of cash, you walk with that cash. You do not get back in. Because there's another play. I've already got the next IPO. It's in my Patreon. The Patreon link is below. It's only $5 a month. The play is already live. So if you want to join the Patreon, you're going to get these IPOs as soon as we agree on them, okay? I'm a little irritated that we're moving again like we did Friday. Nothing is more irritating than this crawling to profit. I should have sold it all at 230. Damn it. 177.22. I could have had all my money at 230 bucks. Shit. She's moving way too slow today. $177.22, guys. At this point, let's see. 174 with 370,000 share volume. Horrible. She's probably going to rip after lunch into after hours. That's when they're going to filter all the orders in, y'all. Watch. That's why I'm leaving 50 orders in. I'm leaving 50 shares in for after hours. Leave 50 in for, whatever your fraction is. Leave a couple, just in case. Leave a couple in case they let her run. You're really nice. Yeah, it goes to show you, even without dark pools, they can still manipulate the stock. Ain't this crazy? 183.85. Yeah, baby. Showing great support at the 170 line. Great support at 170. 183.85. She's going to hit that $200 wall, and we'll see what happens. $179.50. Telly says he's holding. Hold, brother, but make sure you take profit. Get your money out of there so you can go buy a new car, pay your house off, do what you got to do. 185. I've already made a retarded amount of money on this play. So, and if you're doing what I'm doing, you're exiting when I'm exiting, you entered when I entered. You may not have had the same amount of shares I had. Profit level, same brackets. We're profiting within the same brackets, though. 185, guys. It's showing strength. She doesn't want to let up. She is showing that strength. Here we go. Yeah, StockTwits is really just like, you can't believe anything anymore on StockTwits. It's a bunch of fucking hacks. I get on there every now and then, man, but it's just a bunch of hacks going back and forth, trolling, fake news. It's such bullshit. I hate that site, man. Steve Raven says, Teddy, are you out? I'm waiting. I'm 50% out, waiting to sell off another 150 shares at between 220. I'll get out at 220. I'm going to leave 50 shares to rip. Waiting to sell 150 shares at $220 or $230. I've already sold off half of my position. Here we go. I need it now. Come on. She's going slow. $184 on Fidelity, just $1 off. Adrian says, Mark, block that dude. What's he doing? I missed it. I missed it. Thanks, Donnie. I'm ready to go on to the next play already. I might do we have one little IPO coming up. It's not a big one. It's not on everybody's radar. That Forza, it's going to be a 1 day. In and out 1 day. The big IPO is on my Patreon. That's the big one. Justin says, what's the ticker? You got to go to the Patreon to get it. It's only $5 a month. The link is below, brother. 185. Here we go. Stuck on Megl. They are not filtering orders in today. She's probably going to rip after hours. They're going to put them all in after hours. $168. Weeble's not moving. Well, Robinhood's not moving either. Nope. It's crazy, right? Excuse me. Yawning over here. Tired. This is probably going to rock after lunch. This is going to continue to just do these small sideways nothing pattern, and then it's going to rock after lunch. Yep. That's right. They are not allowing these orders to filter in at pace. They are controlling them. They are controlling it. That's all right. We're all up in the money. If you took profit when I said take profit, then you made you some cash. You made some cash. And now we're just waiting for that very last exit. Last exit. Power Hour is probably going to be really good on this one today because they have not put the correct amount of buy orders through. They're managing the price. This is self-managed right here. It's crazy that they do that even without dark pools. They still do it. Lee Petra, Oxford. What is the new IPO? Go to the Patreon. The link is below. Within the Patreon, we have the new IPO that has been agreed upon. Go check it out. Here we go. Come on. $170.02. Yeah, typically when you see, a very slow, controlled start to the day like this, which they were doing they were even doing this at the 220 line. That's why I knew to take profit at the 220 line. Anytime they move these orders in this slow, you're going to have one hell of a hectic day taking profit. So, yeah, you can sell in after hours, of course. This usually is a shakeout. Who just said that? Who said that? Prank just said this is a shakeout, trying to pull people out at low fucking profit margins. Yeah, that's exactly what they do. The Patreon is only $5, man. And you get an MEGL HKD ticker minimum twice a month. You get the Pounce tickers. How am I feeling on CEI? I haven't looked at it. We're at 170.02 on MEGL. I haven't looked at CEI. I really just want to go after these IPOs because they show the most amount of momentum and stand to make the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time with these IPOs. And the amount of people we have backing us on these. The proof is in the pudding, man. Ugh. What is this? I thought you were staying in, Megl. Nathan, I'm still in, buddy. What do you mean you thought I was staying in? What the fuck do you think I'm doing here, dude? I'm in. Are you out? No, I've still got 50% in. Took my profit between 220 and 230 this morning. $220, $230. Now, I thought we would have retraced that by now. So I could have pulled another decent amount of profit. It's just taking a while, but there's no doubt that it's going to retrace that. No doubt. 168. New York Stock Exchange is controlling this ticker today. They are controlling buy orders, allowing those sell orders to just punch down that price. It's the market maker. Market maker's doing it, y'all. Bet your ass you're going to get an afternoon run, though. Bet your ass you get an afternoon run. Joe says with the $5, is there a free t-shirt? What the fuck? Are you kidding me, dude? I don't need gimmicks. Jesus Christ. I'm paying people's houses off, bro. You think they give a fuck about a t-shirt? What, are you kidding me right now? The fuck is that? 168. What in the motherfuck are you doing to me, Mega? Come on already. Not a halt, guys. They're just filtering orders in at a snail's pace. Snail's fucking pace. That's what's going on right here. Filtering orders in so damn slow. Brian goes, you just paid my house off, and all I got was this lousy t-shirt. Yeah. Which the dude goes, for my $5 enrollment, do I get a free t-shirt? You can't even have a t-shirt made nowadays for $5 fucking dollars. It costs like $12, $15 just to make a fucking t-shirt in this economy. I mean, I got an old t-shirt I painted a fucking house in probably 20 years ago. It's got a bunch of holes in it and shit. I'll wipe my ass with it and mail it to you if that's what you fucking want. You want a t-shirt? I got a t-shirt for you. 166.10. Wow. Retracing the low numbers. 166.10. 162. This is where they try to shake people out. Right here, guys. This is where they try to shake them out. You hold strong. But you hold strong and she comes right back. You hold strong. You see, Jeff said he made enough money to pay his wife's car off. I don't think Jeff came here for the t-shirt, bro. Swear to God, the mentality, it's like sometimes you're dealing with fucking kindergartners that fucking got thrown down a flight of stairs. You know how they say some of these kids, they're born, they drop them on their fucking heads? Some of these comments, it's like you got thrown down a flight of fucking stairs and then kicked around like a soccer ball. You want your t-shirt. 157.43. Holy shit. Shaking them out, baby. Shaking them out. Mark, I do not discuss their exits. I already know how to exit, bro. So I don't even discuss that with them. Now, for some of you that are waiting to re-enter this play, 152 is a real big shakeout. It's a real big shakeout. So I know a lot of people are entering at this 152. You're going to see buy orders coming in at the 152. Yes, indeed. $147. Where are you getting 230? What do you mean, bro? She was fluctuating between 220 and 230 earlier. You must not have been here. A lot of people are going to be buying on the cheap right here. There's no doubt about it. This is an entry for a lot of people wanting this play. $150. That shows you people just entered at the 140 line. $150. It did do the same thing Friday, and then within an hour, it had completely recovered. Yep. And then we saw some good action in the after hours as well, but that's how these plays, that's how they play out. You know, that is how they play out. George goes, oh no, you okay, Teddy? The fuck does that mean? 155. This is where your RSI does show oversold sometimes. I'm not even looking at the RSI, not paying attention to it because we kind of learned the play already. Once you learn the play, you kind of know what to expect. But that is why, by the end of today, all you motherfuckers should be out of this play, okay? All you motherfuckers should be out. Only the folks that are like super gamblers, super high risk takers will stay in this play beyond today. That is not me. I'm not one of those risk takers, okay? Hey, are you looking at the daily RSI? Where's it at? What's the number at? Anybody have that? Oh shit, it's 37. Hell yeah, here we go, baby. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. I love that number. Frank says it's showing an RSI at 37. Jesco says he's showing an RSI at 41. Looks like 37 might be the common denominator here. That means she's ready to reverse. Reversal coming. That is a super low RSI. That is right. Well, I mean, it could go a little lower, but I like anything with a 3 in front of it. $158. Mm. 15-minute chart showing an RSI at 39. Thank you, William. Love you, brother, for that info. Thank you. Meg, for any of you guys that got in under $50, holy shit, you're up over $100 per share right now. Up over $100 per share right now. Even if you did take profit, you got in under 50, you did one hell of a fucking trade. 165.90. There's your reversal. 165.90. Dana says $200 within the next hour. Yes, that is likely going to happen. A lot of people are re-entering at that dip. That was a beautiful dip to re-enter a play like this. So I believe that probably is the floor for today. That happened to us Friday. I believe the floor was 70 on Friday. Freaked everybody the fuck out. Right? And then all these YouTubers started putting out these YouTubers like, yeah, we knew it was nothing but a dud. And then within 10 minutes, the bitch fucking rocketed back to like $200, $190 on day one. Day one, it fucking did that shit. It's crazy. We're going to check back in with AMC, see how she's doing. AMC is at the $26 mark. AMC's having a good day. AMC is having a good day. I hope people, though, are smart enough. if they're in the money with AMC, to start taking profit out of that damn play. Pull profit out of that damn play, man. The days like this are numbered with AMC, if you ask me. Would you average down under? Yeah, brother, but I don't think it's going to happen. You're not going to have the chance to get in under $100. The days of entering Meg for under $100 are over. The play will have to be dead now for it to start trickling under 100. That means the play's over with, and that's going to happen within maybe 4 to 5 days. Okay? It's probably going to take 4 to 5, 6 days for MEGL to fully dissolve. Okay? Right now, she's sizzling. A lot of people love her. A lot of people are coming in. They're just filtering these orders slow as fuck. That's what's going on. They're filtering the orders entirely too slow. She's in sizzle right now. She will be in fizzle within 4 to 5 days. You have to make sure you're out. I don't want to hear anybody even talking about this play in 4 or 5 days. Unless it's at like $2,000. Then I want to still talk about it. But if it's fizzling out and you're like, hey, I'm still in. Do you ever think it's going to recover? No, you're screwed. You are screwed. TM says, whoever didn't buy that beautiful dip needs help. I kind of agree, man. That if you could average down, maybe these folks got in at 170 or so. You could have just averaged to 140. Would have been nice. So we're at 165. The market's not halted, guys. What's happening here is orders are being processed at a very slow. This is the slowest shit I've ever seen in my life. Very slow rate here. Please like the video so we can beat the algorithms, guys. Like the video so people tuning in can get in on the actual call, play for play, so they know what to do and how to handle this. I called when to take profit this morning, and I nailed it. If you didn't take profit when I said take profit, you might be shitting your pants right now waiting on a late day recovery. $160.25, waiting on a late day recovery. They're not putting the orders through as we wish. They are not. Didn't want to average up, so I didn't buy. No, you don't ever average up. I don't even want to hear that shit. Average down, not up. We got Patton says, took profit at $245. That's what I'm talking about. Go pay your car off, man, because that's a lot of money. 160.25. 23 says, made $1,200 profit. That's what I'm talking about. Good for you. Alan says, take profits. It's the only way to win. That's right. You got to. Yeah, ain't that some shit? Christy, you know what's up. $70 floor Friday, $100 floor today. Puts us at $280 end of day. Pay attention to what Christy just said. She compared this floor to Friday's floor. Once you average it out, it puts us at $280 end of day. That is correct. And that's why I am going to keep 50 shares in till end of day. All right? We got MEGL, No Limit Soldier in the house, doing some great videos lately, brother. Great videos, man. You couldn't fill it 153. I wonder, did you do a limit order or did you do a market buy? This morning, they weren't filling either. Oh, 165 filled. I see what you're saying. Okay. Scrappy, up 100%, realized gain, and keeping 10% for after hours. You know what you're doing. Very good. Glad to hear that. Thank you, Tim. Tim says, just join the Patreon. I appreciate you, brother. The new IPO is in the Patreon right now. We're good to go. They're not filling the order because there's no volume. You know what I'm saying? They're trying to process the orders. That's what happens when you have plays like this, man. They're processing these orders so fucking slow. They're not creating volume in the play. Therefore, sometimes your orders don't get filled. That's why you got to be on day one. You got to get in day one early. Tone Docs, is there a Discord? I've got a Patreon up. The link is below. The Patreon has the new IPO in it that is up and coming that everybody's getting ready to pounce on, okay? 150.06. Tony, I'm not going to answer too many questions about it. You got to go to the Patreon to get the information. Link below. It's only $5 lousy a month. Cheeseburger costs you more than that, dude. You got $1 million play for $5 with details on how to trade it. Not just the play, but the actual details on how to trade it. 23 just joined the Megs. Thank you. Well worth it too for $5. We've already got the newest IPO up. You just go to the link below, Voodoo. My Patreon is below the link. Just sign up. It's only $5 a month. I've already got the next IPO uploaded. Okay? Let's see. Little Natural, $12,000 gain so far. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, we moved to 152.04. Yes, I do believe the play is going to rip after lunch and in after hours. That's when they filter the orders in. You guys see what they did last Friday? They filtered those orders in after they shook everybody out. They try to shake look, the market maker needs to make money on this play. They already know that we may win. We may beat them on this play because of what we've done. So this is how they make their money. They have to make money somehow. This is the only option they have, is to manipulate the price as best as they can as the sell orders come in. They don't have dark pools to fuck with it. So this is how the market maker makes their money. They're shady bastards. They don't like to lose. They seriously do not like. It's almost like they have to win every day on every ticker at the cost of putting companies out of business. They don't even give a shit. RSI is at 19. Holy shit. Are you kidding me right now? Apprentice. Shizzle fizzle for trizzle. I like it, dude. Thank you, man. We are waiting patiently. 152. What the fuck? Let's move, baby. Put them in. Put them in already. $1,600 profit. See, that's what I'm talking about. Everybody. Okay, 149.27. Retracing the floor. No worries. Retrace that floor. I am not scared one bit. $150. Okay, RSI is at 39. What are we talking about? Are we talking about like the 15-minute? Probably the 15-minute would be 39. Guys, I'm telling you, she's going to do just like Friday. There's a reversal coming, okay? Is this illegal, the daisy chain law? I don't know. Explain. What's the definition of the daisy chain law? What is the daisy chain law? I don't know what that is, man. Big reversal coming, we hope. No, I'm telling you, there is a lot of buy orders that they're just not processing, okay? They're not fucking processing the orders. So, I mean, obviously there's a lot to these plays that is on the line of legal versus illegal, but who are we to decide that? You know what I'm saying? It just appears that a lot of shit that is illegal, there is a blind eye turned to that shit. 135, guys. 135. What up? Cruz, what's up? What's the float mean? What's the to float mean on BNSO and Hellbiz? Owner said to Moon It's got a 200,000 public float. That's pretty damn low. So you're getting in a ticker with a 200,000. I wonder what the short interest is on that, man. What's the short interest? Do you know? Oh, Dranon, they have to let it sell off, okay? They just got to do what they got to do, man. They got to filter the sell orders in to shake people out. I told you guys at roughly 9 to 9:30 there'd be a sell-off. It happens on every IPO, no matter how strong, and it's just the market manipulation. The market makers have to manipulate. They can't just let it rocket all the way to the top and everybody, make a fucking shit ton of money. They know better than to do that. So this was very predictable, but this happened Friday, so it's all good. Luxury Tax Club, thank you. You get it. It's all good. This shit happens. The daisy chain means pump the price and dump it. I mean, that shit's been going on in the stock market for fucking 100 years, dude. I mean, what the fuck do you think AMC is? I don't think anybody got into AMC because it was a fundamentally sound company. It's a pump and dump. What do you think CEI is? What do you think all of StockTwits is? Seriously, what is StockTwits? It's just a group of motherfuckers trying to pump and dump stocks. What the fuck? I ain't telling anybody what to do with their money. I'm alerting you to IPOs. Do what the fuck you want. The entire market is a pump and dump. Yeah, for real. George says, now you hating on AMC. Dude, I've been hating on AMC for over a year. Where have you been? Now I'm hating on AMC. The link is below in the description box on this video. Link below. 129.54 on Meg. Donnie, TZ Crew stripping the market. No t-shirts, bro. You have a buy limit order set up at 123 if you need to average down. That would be smart. So you actually bought at 123. All right. They can lend your shares out, guys. So you need to take your lending button and turn it off. Take your lending and turn it off. Okay? So they cannot short with your shares. There's no such thing as fundamentals anymore. No, because all plays are becoming pump and dump plays. Seriously. GME is a pump and dump. AMC is a pump and dump. Bed Bath & Beyond is a pump and dump. They're all fucking pumping. CEI, pump and dump. Nobody gives a fuck about the companies anymore. None of them. It's not halted. I'm not showing a halt. I'm just showing a slow process. But are you guys seeing to where it's actually halted? I'm not. That would be bad news. We don't want that. It is fucking halted. Halted on the way down. See, this is why I tell you guys, take profit at the top. Take profit at the top. I know, right? T-shirts. Taking profit at the top. That's why we win. Yes, you will see 200 again. No worries. Yes, you will. She's only doing what she did Friday, guys. If you were here Friday, you already knew about this shit. That's why I said, and in my Patreon, I said this morning, I just reminded you guys to pull 25% off. Continuously pulling 25% out in my Patreon. It's the first thing I did when I woke up this morning is I alerted everybody to profit taking as well. Kevin said, I did not get out Friday. Nah, I knew not to get out Friday. I made more money by staying in today. I made more money. And the reason I say take profit at the top when you see these great numbers, you've 2 or 3 or 4x your money, is because, guys, we got another play coming. There's a lot of IPOs launching. There's a lot of great opportunities. So there's always another play that you're getting into. You don't have to, hold your breath on this play and hope for a fucking Hail Mary. You don't have to do that shit. It's all good. We are good. This is how the stock market works. It's all good. That's why I say don't ever get greedy. Just please don't get greedy. Count your blessings when you're making money. All right? Meg's got a reversal coming up, though, so don't even worry about it. Meg has a reversal coming up. What they're going to do is they're going to filter the orders in after lunch. Going into after hours is when Meg shows her probably 220 that I've been waiting on, to where I will, if that does happen, I might exit completely at that point. She might only give me that last exit. I'm still in the money, though, so I'm not worried. I got to get something to drink. I'll be right back, y'all. I'm thirsty. Back. Did my screen freeze? Looks like my screen froze. 135.61, still trickling. After hours, it's probably going to retrace the 220. Or it could go based on what we saw Friday, it might hit 215, 210. I'm hoping it hits the 220. So, yeah, Lobster's in the back corner chilling. Got him some great shrimp. He got to eat some beautiful fresh shrimp. My lemon drink is up in the refrigerator. I'm going to drink it for lunch today. Yeah, buddy. So we have very slow processing, not a lot of halts today, but very slow processing on this ticker. Is it halted? If it's halted on the way up. This makes no sense to me. What in the fuck are they doing? This is insane. There was no reason to halt. Thanks, Rob. There was no reason to halt that. That makes no sense. What the fuck? Well, it was halted on the upside, guys, so apparently there's some kind of momentum coming in. I didn't see it. I didn't see the momentum, but apparently it's happening. They cannot stand to let the little guy fucking win. You are right, Jacob. It's like they knew we were going to pounce on this so hard, and now they're just controlling it. Yep. Beautiful play, though. Reaching $350 this morning. Beautiful play. Let me see what's going on with my live here. It looks frozen. Let me refresh it. There we go. Frozen on my side. MEGL 135.61. If you're holding for $1,000, Charlie, you're going to be, I don't know. You're going to be one of the highest risk takers in the stock market. A lot of people may be holding, but the way they're filtering orders, they're halting the market. It's almost like they're really trying to suppress the price, okay? They're just suppressing the price, man. Nah, pre-market, everybody saw it hit $350. $350 pre-market. It's pretty crazy. Yep. The next IPO very likely could do this. We never know. We just never know. But it is going to be a momentum play. It is going to be a push play. Ratty boy, Ken Griffin. Need for speed. Thank you, brother. You know it. Let me go check out AMC while we are at the halt. AMC 25. AMC pushing it $25. AMC had a past couple good days, man. Past couple good days. I don't know how long lived that's going to be because AMC does show her true colors eventually, and she doesn't like to keep money in the play. No, she doesn't. Halted on the way up, 135.61. Do you think after hours will be better? Yes, indeed. After hours will. We've retraced this money like we did Friday. How did it all come back? It came back after lunch. So we're just hoping for the best. Should we be out of this play by Friday? By this Friday? Wow. No, I'm not staying in that long. I am not staying in this play till Friday. That's crazy. I mean, some people probably are, and yeah, it could be sitting at $2,000 by Friday. But at this pace, this is moving a little too slow for my blood. All right? Little too slow for my blood. I think it was, yeah, it could be 7 halts today. You could be right. I sold the majority 220 and 224, I think it was. 147.65. There we go. 147.65. If you ask me, that wasn't enough to halt the market, though. 150. I mean, seriously, if it shot to like 185 right now, I understand halting the market for that. Halting the market for this? What is this? Some kind of a joke? You know? Six small float. Yo-yo? 619% cruise rate on top of small float. Yo-yo! Is that the ticker name? Y-O-Y-O? I'll check it out. Yes, indeed. I'll check it out. I'm at the point now to where I just want to play these IPOs, though, because, damn, made a shit ton of money on this IPO. So right now we are still under 500,000 volume, which is insane. We are still under 500,000 share volume. I just can't even believe this nonsense. Can you guys believe that? I mean, what's amazing is the price is as high as it is with no volume. Unbelievable. Royalty made $10,000. You're welcome, brother. Royalty, did you get in the Discord for the next, or the Patreon for the next IPO? I've already listed the next parabolic IPO. It's in the Patreon. It's only $5. The link is below. Yes, they halted it again, guys. At least they halted it, I think, on the way up. Looked like we were cruising up. IPOs are very fun. IPOs, this is the new way to make money. New way to make money. We just find a good IPO and boom, baby. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, this shit should be illegal, what they're doing. What they're doing should be totally fucking illegal. Yeah, it did. It rode from $15 to $50. Nobody thought HKD was going anywhere until the pounce happened, baby. The pounce. Shocked everybody. Shocked everybody. You got to love this shit, though. They're playing games with everybody. Okay? That's what this is. They're trying to mind fuck everybody into thinking, oh, today's not going to be as good as we thought. And then watch. Boom! $290 fucking dollars. $300 fucking dollars, right? They want you guys out. They want you guys out. Hell no. Any dumbass selling at this number? They don't know what they're doing. I would never sell at 147. Fuck that noise. Fuck. Yeah, I know, right, dude? Seriously. You got to halt this shit for $1? The hell is that, Mark? That's what I'm saying. This is total manipulation to control the price. They are trying to get you to sell right now. That's it. Yeah, buddy. Mine still says open to. I never got the alert. Oh, there it goes. Next IPO is in my Patreon. The link is below to the Patreon. We've already alerted the next IPO. $46. Go to the Patreon, Rich. It's $5 a month. That's where the next IPO is. I'm alerting those IPOs in the Patreon, and I give you ideas of how it's going to play out. And, you know, I help you. I help you learn how to trade. That's what I'm doing. That's all this is helping people learn how to trade. And I offer good advice in my Patreon. I offer good advice on the up-and-coming play. But at the end of the day, you got to do what you got to do. Thank you, Tony. Patreon link is below, guys. on how to get in these IPOs, how to make money in the stock market, how to day trade. Just trying to help people learn how to do this on their own, okay? I have no idea how they're getting away with such low volume, John. This is ridiculous, brother. Thank you for saying the Patreon is great. I appreciate you. We're just getting started, too. Alan, thank you, man. I appreciate you as well, brother. And you were the first one in my Patreon? Hell yeah, dude. Love it. People selling at 148, that would be a shocker, but people don't know. They ain't got, on a day like today, they get shaken out. They don't get it. They are delaying the orders. They are filtering in sell orders. You know, they're sitting on a ton of buy orders right now. They're sitting on a ton of buy orders, guys. They can't just keep filtering all those buy orders in, though. Okay? You know they're not going to do that. Come on. Let everybody walk with all that money and then sell it off? No. They got to try to sell it off and scare everybody out. Then they let it rip for just the few that are still in. That's how this game works. How did the RSI already go to 53? 15-minute RSI is at 53? How? Shit, we ain't been doing nothing. There's been no volume. Where'd that number come? Now they're just making numbers up. $149.99. It's halting on dollar increases and decreases. You know there's a lot of fuckery going on, guys. 145. No halt. And that is true. You have very low volume because a lot of people are holding at this point. That is correct. It's mostly buying. They're just not filtering the orders in. Yeah. Okay, good. I was going to say that made no sense. RSI is at 34, y'all. The 53 just sounded way out of whack. Way out of whack. This is only a 5 million share float. That is correct. It's probably going to break like 250, 280 after lunch into market hour close. They're just trying to get people out of this play before they bring it back up. And it might work. I mean, not everybody's got the patience for this, you know. A lot of people don't have the patience for it. Ruben says they threw another 2 million in, so that means insiders may have sold 2 million. Doesn't really affect it all that much, though. You can go to 20 million and still be all right. Still be a micro float at 20 million. Yeah. You got some inside suits letting their shares go, but again, HKD's a 20 million share float. It's all good. But guys, that's another reason why typically you like to be out of these plays by end of today, because more suits are going to liquidate their shares. More suits going into tomorrow are going to let their shares go. Next thing you know, you're sitting at a 15 million, you're sitting at a 20 million share float. Anybody that sticks it out has to be prepared for that. Again, you got to be brave, man. You got to be really fucking ballsy to stick it out because of shit like that happening. Okay? We don't really know what the actual volume is, though. There's no way this is the volume. This is absurd. This is absurd. Teddy, am I running out of shares? No. I'm waiting for after lunch run to where I'm going to sell probably the rest of my shares in after hours. I'll be out of this entire play by the end of today, you know. Yes, you can trade after hours on Robinhood, for sure. They're delaying the order, the volume by limiting the processing of orders, okay? They are being really picky choosy right now on what they process. Yep. And people are holding, yes, indeed. People are holding, and they don't want to put those buy orders in. So people are holding and they're processing sell orders. So we just reached 500,000 volume. Not quite on my side. I'm only sitting at 598,000. We didn't break the 500,000 yet on Robinhood. Can you place a market order in after hours, Teddy? Yes, you definitely can. For sure. Yeah, buddy. We still haven't broken 500,000 on Robinhood. Jennifer wants to know what the RSI is. The RSI is an indicator that tells you when a stock is either overpurchased or oversold. And it's all based on numbers ranging from typically 10 all the way up to 90. When you see something in the 90s, you need to get the hell out of the stock. Sell that shit because she's about to come tumbling down on you. When you see a stock as low as 10, 20 RSI, you need to buy that shit because she's about to rip on you. That is one of my favorite indicators. You got the daily RSI that you are constantly watching on these tickers. It took about 9 or 10 days for HKD to hit $2,500. There is a market halt at 138.65. I don't even get it. I don't get it. I don't fucking get this shit worth of nothing, man. Halted at 138? What? The fuck? The relative strength indicator. Yes, sir. Another halt on MEGL. Can you believe it? What's up, Luan Moore? Thank you, my man. This is crazy, man. I might just go to lunch and come back and see what happens. This is not moving at all. This is unexciting. It's very uneventful. I already know it's going to recover, though. There will be a reversal. It's just waiting it out. I could go to lunch and fucking give this thing a break. It might be working on newbies, but the majority of people aren't selling at this low of a... Yeah, I'm probably going to go to Chick-fil-A here in a minute and grab some lunch. I think they open in like 7 minutes. Take a break from this. We all go to lunch. There'll probably be a reversal. And then we can come back and talk about our exit strategy. So this somebody said this is a dud. John, this isn't a dud, brother, because a lot of people took profit right at market open this morning. And which is what we were expecting. We needed that profit to come in right out of the gate. Now, I should have taken all my profit in the morning. First, right thing, when she was sitting at that 225, I should have just sold them all. So now I have to wait for it to recover and get back to that 225 or 230, and there I will sell the rest of my shares, and I'll be out until the next play. I'm actually thinking about getting in Forza, a one-day trade. Actually thinking about getting in that play. So it'll be a one-day, boom, in and out, baby. She's a midweek play. Maybe double my money, and that's it. We get out. So, all right, guys, let's go to Chick-fil-A. Let's go get some Chicano, a spicy chicken sandwich. They got some great sugar-free lemonade, too, man. I love their fucking lemonade. Stay away from the waffle fries. Everybody loves the waffle fries. That's the harmful shit. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Yeah, let's talk about Forza. It's not a pounce play, though. No, no, sir. Hoffman, Forza is not a pounce play. It's just going to be a one-day in and out, brother. All right? I know the Army's not pouncing on that one. So it's all good, though, man. We just got to play what we got to play. When there's nothing else going on, let's pick a good one, you know? All right, Cruz. I'm going to check that yo-yo out, Cruz. I'm going to go to lunch, and I'll look at that and the short interest and see where the dollar signs are. And if it's worth it, maybe we'll play that one too. All right, guys. I will see you probably in like an hour and a half or 2 hours. And hopefully we get a reversal on this play. So see you guys in a little bit. Megl Warrior out, baby. Shaboom. Peace.